What is going on, guys? In this video we'll be talking about this. This company sent me this mic, interviewer mic. They didn't pay me, they didn't sponsor this video, they just sent me this item for free and they asked me to say everything that I'm thinking about it. So let's go for it. My name is Anatoly and we're starting. First of all, let's open up the box. Of course I did open it before because I needed to test stuff and see how it is. I like this. This is a cool idea. And then when you open the box, in the box it comes with like a leather case with COMICA on it for the mic, then some instructions and some sticker card with COMICA logo on it, and then it comes with the actual interviewer mic and a plate for, you know how you can stick it on it, you can put any logo on it. I can stick COMICA plate on it, I can make my own logo on it and just stick it right here, and like, you know, when I'm taking interviews so people can see what channel is it. But let's hook up this. So since this interviewer mic they sent me for free, I couldn't say anything, so I didn't have a XLR because this is XLR output and I don't have anywhere to stick my XLR cable, or I don't even have a XLR cable. So I went and bought XLR cable, male to female, and then I went and bought this new thing, the recorder called Zoom H5. So we'll be recording today on this interviewer mic and this Zoom H5. Today I'm recording on my Rode Wireless Go 2 with my Lavalier second mic. I'll tell you all the specs and everything about this mic so you can see the difference that comes out from this and that comes out from my Lavalier mic. I did few tests in the car with my brother. I'll tell you this way, this mic is way quieter than any other mic. Like, unbelievable difference between this mic inside of the car, because drove in the car, we were talking to this mic and just a normal original Sony mic on my brother's camera. On Sony mic you can hear everything is going on outside of the car, like the cars passing, the wind and everything. With this mic I didn't hear anything. But let's test it out right here, right now, and see how it goes. So okay, let's hook up this. You hear a click, it's connected on this side. So since this Zoom H5 has a one input here and one input here, so it means left speaker and right speaker, I tested out when I was recording on this mic. It was saving everything only on one left audio, and I want it to be double, because when you're keep playing the sound over and over, it just plays through the left speaker. Let's do this now, guys. So I'll press the button to record right now. I'll put a mic somewhere here around in the same spot where my mic is, and let's switch. So right now we're talking from COMICA reporter interviewer mic. Let me read you some specs about it. I'm trying to hold in the same spot. First of all, that I wanted to tell you that this mic is fully built of metal. Like, I love the way this design and texture on it. When I'm holding it, it feels heavy. Not heavy that is uncomfortable, heavy to that point that you feel there is a good quality build. Second of all, they have a super low self noise, so it is what I was talking about when I'm driving in the car. You don't hear the surroundings when you're talking to this mic. I mean, it's way clearer sound coming out from this, since this is an interviewer mic. So if you want to take somebody's interview, I mean, this is the best thing ever. It's gonna be better than Lavalier mic or my Rode. It is recording a stable and high quality voice. Like, the sound that comes in, it's almost the same that it gives out through the speakers. I mean, I didn't notice any difference in my voice. Like, you know, I have a kind of deeper voice, and maybe if somebody has a high pitch voice, it's gonna give that high pitch voice in through the speakers. This one, like I said before, it's an XLR output, so They have it adapter that you can buy that goes XLR to aux cable, so you can hook it up straight to your camera. Right now I'm not, like I said, I'm recording on this, but with the, if you don't have this recorder, and I could have done that, I could have just buy a XLR adapter to aux and just hook it up straight to my camera and record it into my camera, so then I don't have to adjust or sync the audio sounds. Now I have to sync this audio to this audio. Not really anything to talk about this mic. The only thing you can do is just hear it yourself on a video, just hear the difference. The best way for you guys to know if it's a good mic, that's the mic that you want to buy or not, is just listening to this video and hearing the sound that coming out from here. Otherwise, I mean, it's a good mic. Like I said, I love the quality. It feels good, and the price is only like 55 bucks. It's not bad. Right now maybe it's cheaper, but on the time I'm recording it's 55 bucks. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to go to the COMICA website and buy this mic. See you guys later.